Warning: you must not bounce on your Thunder while the wheels are attached. For Thunder M, remove your 2 Thunder wheels from box 1. For Thunder L and XL, remove your 4 Thunder wheels from box 1 and box 2. Box 2 wheels are easily distinguishable by the longer metal bar on which the wheels sit. Choose any net pole on your Thunder trampoline and slip the basic protector onto the left side of this net pole at the bottom of your Thunder's frame. Slip a box 1 Thunder Wheels clamp over the plastic protector. Insert the 2 bolts through the holes at the rear of the Thunder Wheels clamp and feed them through the second holes at the front. Turn the wing nuts until they are both secure. Remember, you must not overly tighten the bolts. The weight of your moving trampoline will make them very difficult to unscrew if you do them up too tightly. Repeat steps 2 to 4 to attach the second Thunder wheel to the exact opposite net pole. Take the 2 lever halves from your box. Insert the one with the cap into the one without, making sure that it is securely fitted. Insert the lever into the slot on your Thunder wheel and pull it backwards until the lever slot locks into the brace. Warning: mind your fingers, moving parts and heavy weight can cause injury. Repeat for your other box 1 Thunder wheel. Congratulations! You can now move your Thunder M. Spin your trampoline around until the attached box 1 wheels face the direction that you want to move your Thunder. Return the wheels to the ground. Remember, you will not be able to spin your trampoline once you have attached the box 2 wheels. Find one of the net poles between the already attached wheels. Attach a box 2 Thunder wheel to the left of this net pole as per steps 2 to 5. Repeat on the opposing side of your Thunder Summer to attach the final wheel. Remember, when you've attached the 4 Thunder wheels, they should all face the same direction. Take only the lever half without the cap from your box and insert it into the lever slot on an attached box 2 Thunder wheel. Warning: if you use the combined full lever to lift the box 2 wheels, the lever will touch the ground. This has the potential to cause injury if your fingers become caught. Pull it backwards until the lever slot locks into the brace. Repeat for the other attached box 2 Thunder wheel. Congratulations! You can now move your Thunder L or XL. Removing Thunder wheels. To remove the wheels, simply reinsert the lever. Unlock the lever slot from the brace and return each wheel to the ground. You may then unscrew the bolts and remove the wheels.